Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about Kerala PSC Recruitment 2021. Here are the basic details. The organization name is Kerala Public Service Commission and the post name Draftsman Grade 1, Overseer Grade 1, Junior Public Health Nurse Grade 2, X-ray Technician Grade 2, Stenographer, Social Science, High School Teacher, Mathematics, Natural Science, English, Arabic. For all of these subjects, the post name is a high school teacher, and full-time junior language teacher, education teacher, laboratory technician, school teacher, language teacher, electrician, armed police assistant, mathematics teacher, which is for higher secondary school, and for instrumental mechanic, security guard grade 2, pharmacist grade 2, driver attendant, and these are all of the post vacancies which are open for Kerala Public Service Commission. Moving on to the total number of vacancies, there are 282 and the starting date has already been started. The closing date is on 3rd of February 2021. The application mode is through online and the job location is going to be in Kerala. The official website as mentioned here, you can check out the official website if you need further information. Moving on to the vacancy details. These are the number of vacancies and these are the posts which are mentioned to the left side of the screen. The post names are Draftsman Grade 1 or the Overseer Grade 1. There are 2 vacancies. For Junior Public Health Nurse Grade 2 there is 1 and it's the same for Assistant Manager as well. For X-ray Technician there is no such estimation given. It is the same for High School Teacher Mathematics subject and for Natural Science subject as well. For these posts, the vacancies are not yet estimated. For Assistant Manager it is 1 and Stenographer 2. For High School Teacher English subject there are 5. For Full-time Junior Language Teacher for Arabic subject there are 114, which is the highest number of vacancies open. For Music Teacher 8, Full-time Junior Languages Teacher, again for Arabic subject UPS there are 6. For Laboratory Technician Grade 2 there are 2. For Confidential Assistant Grade 2 there are 6. For Motor Mechanic there are 4. These are the rest of the posts. For the part-time High School Teacher Arabic and for Urdu, the vacancies are 2. For part-time Junior Language Teacher Arabic there are 36, which is again falls a high range for the teacher's post. For Electrician there are 2, for Armed Police Assistant 2, for Assistant Insurance Medical Officer 2, for Higher Secondary School Teacher Mathematics there are 3. For Clinical Psychologist 1, it is the same for Instrumental Mechanic and Security Guard Grade 2 as well. For UP School Teacher there are 6, for Junior Health Inspector Grade 2 there are 24. Again this falls again with a high range of posts for Health Inspectors. For part-time High School Teacher Sanskrit subject there is 1. It's the same for the Urdu subject as well. Again for Driver Grade 2 there are 6 and in total we have 282 vacancies. Here are the education qualification requirement. It will be differing for each of the posts. So for the post of a draftsman, the requirement is diploma in electrical engineering. Hereafter for Junior Public Health Nurse, the candidate should have been doing SSLC and Auxiliary Nurse Midwifery Certificate or Auxiliary Nurse Midwifery Certificate with revised course, and registration with Kerala Nurse and Midwives Council is necessary. For X-ray Technician, past pre-degree or 10th +2 with equivalent or diploma in radiological technology is relevant. Stenographer, the required qualification is SSLC or its equivalent, passed in typewriting, shorthand, and the candidate should be aware of Malayalam language. Assistant Manager, the qualification requirement is a degree in chemical engineering or a minimum 1 year experience in reputed manufacturing organization, preferably from clay manufacturing. And for High School Teacher Social Science subject, the candidate should have a degree in the concerned subjects with B.Ed, B.T. and must qualify in KTET. For Mathematics subjects, it's the same. For high school teacher national science, you should have degree in the concerned subject and must be qualifying in KTET as well. It's the same for the English language and Arabic. Arabics as one of the optional subjects in B.Ed, BT or LT, or a title of Oriental language in Arabic should be awarded. For a full-time junior language teacher Arabic LPS, you should have a degree in Arabic or a title of orientation language in Arabic. You should pass in pre-degree with a part 3 of Arabic, or you should have a +2 with Arabic as your optional subjects. Moving on to physical education teacher, SSLC or its equivalent with physical education or pass certificate. And for drawing, the requirement is SSLC or its equivalent with KGTE or MGTE with a 2-year course of drawing and painting, diploma in painting, group diploma in drawing or national diploma in applied arts, or Bachelor of Fine Arts or BFA degree. Then for music teacher, graduation in music or SSLC in past, and you should be awarded a senior certificate in music. Then for full-time junior languages teacher, the candidate should have a degree in Arabic and title of orientation of learning in Arabic. You should have Arabics as one of your optional subjects as well. For laboratory technician, you should have a higher secondary certificate along with a medical laboratory technician course. For tractor driver, you should have an SSLC and a driver's license. For confidential assistant, you should have a 10th with a +2 and KGTE with a computer word processing knowledge as well. For motor mechanic, certificate in automobile engineering issued after 18 months of course in Industrial Training Institute with 6 months of implant training is compulsory, and also you should have a 2 years of practical experience in repairs, maintenance of motor vehicles in a recognized automobile shop. Possession of a motor driving license also is mandatory. For tracer, SSLC and a draftsman course, diploma of ITC or KGTE or MGTE, second grade certificate or building drawing and estimating certificate, ITI certificate, diploma in agricultural and rural engineering is mandatory. For part-time high school teacher for the Arabic subject, you should have a degree in Arabic, and also Arabic should be as your optional subject in your study. For part-time high school teacher in the subject of Urdu, you should have Urdu as your core subject and also your optional subject. For part-time junior language teacher Arabic, a degree in Arabic, Oriental language in Arabic should be awarded, and a pre-pass degree in part 3 of Arabic or +2 with Arabic as your optional subject. You should have passed in PSSLC and Arabic part 1 and part 2 of the first language. For boat driver, you should be in pass 8th standard with a valid boat driver competency certificate. For electrician, SSLC or its equivalent with a national trade certificate. Moving on to Armed Police Assistant Sub-Inspector post, the candidate should be diploma in agricultural and rural engineering or a pass in pre-degree examination, assistant insurance and officer for this post, degree in modern medicine or its equivalent. Higher secondary school teacher mathematics, you should have mathematics as your core subject, and clinical psychologist, the qualification requirement is MSc, MA or MSc with an MPhil in clinical psychology as your core subject. For draftsman, diploma in mechanical engineering. For instrumental mechanic, SSLC and a diploma in mechanical engineering or an ITI certificate. And for security guard, you have to be passed in 8th grade. Security guard, you can be failed in your SSLC, but you should have an experience of 3 years in armed forces. For UP school teacher, passed in SSLC or a pre-degree or a higher secondary with TTC or a B.Ed, BT or LT. And for junior health inspector, you have to have a +2 with a science subject as your mains. For pharmacist grade 2, SSLC with pass certificate as a nurse, pharmacist or a training course with a homeopathy as your core subjects. Part-time high school teacher for the subject of Sanskrit, you should have Sanskrit as your optional subject or your core subjects. For part-time junior language teacher for Urdu, you should have Urdu as your Oriental language of teaching, or it should also be your optional subjects in your course of study. For driver grade 2, passed in your 7th grade, or you have to have a valid license for 3 years of standing of a light motor vehicle with a driver's badge as well. The age limit is as follows. The post varies differently for the ages as mentioned, so the age is different for each of the posts. For draftsman grade 1, 18 to 36, it's the same for X-ray technician and for stenographer and for assistant manager as well. So these 3 of the posts have the same 18 to 36 of years. And high school teachers for social sciences subject, there is no such age limit which is mentioned, and there is no applicable limit for applying for the post. For high school teacher mathematics, it is 18 to 40. It's the same for national science teacher as well. And again, for the subjects of English and Arabic, there is no such applicability of limit for applying for the post. For full-time junior languages teacher Arabic, it is 18 to 40. Physical education teacher 80 to 40 again. It's the same for drawing and music teacher as well, and again not applicable for the subject of Arabic. For laboratory technician and driver and for confidential assistant, it's the same, 18 to 36 of years is the age limit. Moving on to the next post. For motor mechanic, it's 18 to 39. For tracer, 36 years is the age limit. Part-time high school teacher, it is 18 to 40. It's the same for the teacher of the subject Urdu and Arabic as well. 36 and 37 is the age limit for boat driver, electrician and tractor driver. Then for armed police assistant sub-inspector, 20 to 36 of years is the age limit. For assistant insurance medical officer, it is 21 to 45, and the rest of the post, which is almost falling under the same section, which is 18 to 41 to 49 of years. For clinical psychologist, draftsman, grade 2 instrumental mechanic, for all of these years, the starting is 18 years. You should have been completed 18 years, and it is ranging up to 41, and only for security guard it is for 49 years. Moving ahead, for pharmacist grade 2, it is 18 to 39. For part-time high school teacher Sanskrit, it is 18 to 43. For part-time junior language teacher, it is 18 to 45. For driver, it is 18 to 42. And then the salary details are as follows. Again, for each of the posts, the salary pay scale will be differing as per the pay levels. For draftsman grade 1, it is starting from 26,500 to 56,700, and for junior public health nurse and extra technician is the same, starting ranging from 22,000, and for assistant manager chemical, it is 7,200. For high school teachers social science, and for all the teachers out there for different subjects, the salary is ranging from 29,000 and it is heading up to 62,400. Moving on, for high school teacher Arabic, 29,200. For teachers, it is ranging between 25,200 to 54,000. For all the laboratory technician, driver and the rest of the post, the salary pay scale is starting from 20,000 ranging up to 45,000 accordingly. And then for the post of the teachers, for part-time teachers especially, in spite of the languages mentioned, 19,000 is the starting pay scale, ranging up to 43 and 45,000. And for boat driver, it is 18,000 to 41,000. It's the same for electrician and tractor driver as well. And for armed police assistant and sub-inspector, medical officer, and for these posts, the salary is in between 30,000 to 65,000. Moving on to the clinical psychologist, the pay scale is ranging from 35,700 to 75,000. For security guard and security guard grade 2, 5,850. For junior health inspector grade 2, it is 22,200, ranging up to 48,000. For part-time junior language teachers, the salary pay scale is starting from 18,000 heading up to 41,500, and this is a selection process. And candidates whoever are applying for these posts, please know that you will be selected either through written test, OMR, or through an online test accordingly. And here is a link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well, so you can check it out for how to apply for the post as desired. Well, furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarification regarding the post, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to Freshen Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.